So yeah, the Metaline Falls Bigfoot Festival. Bill's going to have a booth. There's SquatchDocs are going to have a booth. That's on Father's Day weekend. There's a whole bunch of other people that are boots on the ground researchers, and they're going to be having booths and showing off their castings, and they've got information. Some of them have books you can buy. So it's real. It's going to be a real interesting year. This Father's Day weekend, come celebrate the legend at the 2026 Metaline Falls Bigfoot Festival, June 20th and 21st. Admission is free to everyone.
It's a lot of great time hanging with friends too and eating a lot of food.
Explore the Sasquatch Village at Busta Park, meet real Bigfoot researchers and investigators, and see their evidence and merchandise. Saturday only, don't miss Shane Corson of the Olympic Project live at the Cutter Theater at 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Get your tickets early.
Just had a blast. What a fun event.
Enjoy the Bigfoot 5K, Littlefoot Kids Run, car show, quilt show, fiber spinning, pancake feed, beer garden, and great food and vendors.
Well, come and see us and have a good time.
Live music Friday and Saturday evenings by the legendary PB&J Band. The Metaline Falls Bigfoot Festival is sponsored by the Kalispel Tribe of Indians, Ponderosa County Hotel Motel Tax Funds, Highmark Plumbing and Construction LLC, Frank's Italian Food, and the Tamarack Tattoo Company. The Metaline Falls Bigfoot Festival, where legends come alive. Visit mfbigfoot.com for tickets and details.
We'll see you soon.
So, should be really cool.